Hello friends, this video is going to be the last one for this series. So we have created this home page. We have the home link, all ads, and this is the username here. And we go to the dashboard, and here we have the post new ad. We can add the link here. I have not added yet, so I'm going to do this in the second. In the admin area we have created for creating a new listing to display all the listings. Okay, we have the link to go in the dashboard, and here we have my listings. So the listing this user has, this admin has, or if you go to the admin, and we have categories, subcategories, child categories, countries, states and cities, of course, and we have this filter by title, cars, countries and max price. So if I filter by categories, countries and so on, by title, in the home page, I'm going to do is add some feature ads and also the categories here. Okay, go here and open the web PHP inside the roads, and here we have the road get for the welcome. We return just the welcome blade, and here we have the welcome blade in the main header. So components, main header. Here we have for the username, if we are authenticated, and create new ad is going to be inside the listings.index.create. So new ad is going to be now a button, link. I'm going to change this to be anchor tag, and sorry, like this. Okay, and the link is going to be a road listing dot create. Hit save and come here and refresh. Okay, now if I click here, we go to the listings create. Good. Next thing is to add some popular categories here, and for that, if we want, we can make here the categories, but I'm going to do something else. I'm going to add the front-end listing controller here. So copy and paste here. I'm going to name it name welcome. Okay, and the method is going to be welcome as well. So welcome, hit save, and now in this controller I'm going to make a new method, welcome, and here I'm going to say categories is going to be category all, and import that. And also what we need the feature ads here. So it's going to be listing, and where I'm going to open the table plus to see what we have for if we have a feature employee ads, and inside the listings structure is published. We don't have we have only feature image, but we don't have a feature column. So if you want, you can add one more column, and it's going to be feature or not. Okay, I'm going to just order by, or where is published is true, get, and return a view with compact, and add categories there, and also add feature ads. Okay, hit save, and now in the welcome blade, in main section here, property, popular categories we have. I'm going to remove that and make an for each here. So for each categories as category, and cut this and paste it here. Here we can display the category name, if I save and come to the browser, refresh, undefined categories, because we don't, we save this. So why we don't have undefined variable categories? In the main section. I'm going to copy this one or just this for each. Now the slot here and save in the web. In the welcome, here we have main section. I'm going to save and refresh. Okay, now we have two categories, and the feature ads is going to be the same thing. So in the feature, main feature, okay, yeah, shooting stars, the catalyzer. So remove two of them and cut this and say slot, save, close, and here we can say for each featured ads as add. Here we can pass them, and here we can say the title. Here I'm going to say description and hit save, refresh, and yeah, we have 1, 2, 3 ads, and this button is going to be so in the main header, this is going to be the feature, main feature. We have a button here. I'm going to change this to be anchor tag, and it's going to be the road. Listings index. Okay, hit save, come here and refresh, and flex, and why it's this, so we have flex, class flex, and here I'm going to pass this one. Okay, no button, but change now to be all listings, and hit save, refresh. Now all listings go there to the all listings. Oh yeah, no, sorry, we don't go to the all listings. So all listings is like that. Listings, what is the web roads? Yeah, name is all listing, So change this to be all listings like this, and go back now, refresh. We have a filter, popular categories, feature ads, and all listings will go there. Okay friends, here is the admin. This is the basic one. Maybe in the future I'm going to create more advanced, but I'm not sure. Hope you enjoy. I'm going to create a video for the full series, so all the video in one long video, and see you in the next series. All the best.